Hi everyone, it's Andrew of AKS, giving you Derby property market update for the month of May. We're a few days later than planned, mainly because I actually lost my voice, which when you're an estate agent, your job is to talk to people, isn't ideal. But what we've done is, as we've done for previous months, so we're looking at what's happened across the whole of the Derby market for May 19 and contrasting that with what happened in May 18 to try and get a general idea of the trends. So in my pretty messy handwriting, we've got it written down here. If we just go through, we've actually got a slight reduction in the number of new properties that have come onto the market, but really marginal, only sort of 2% less. The big difference, or the thing that sort of certainly jumped out to me when we had a look, is we've got 7% less sales being agreed, which is quite a drop. That in turn means that there's more available properties, so we've got 3.5% more properties on the market compared with a year ago. But of course those properties will be ones that have been on the market for longer, because whilst there's more available properties, less of those are new ones, obviously with the sort of 2% reduction in new ones coming on. And very interestingly as well, and certainly in contrast to previous months, there's less people that are reducing their price. So 11% less price reductions is pretty significant. What does that tell us? Well, maybe there's more people that should be reducing their price because there's 11% less price reductions, and that in turn means there's 7% less sales. So it does suggest that there's properties out there that are maybe just pitched a bit higher than what they should be. And certainly our experience is that when you price a property right, you're going to get strong interest, and that will often lead to competing offers versus put it on for that little bit too much, and you'll just notice a big drop off in the numbers of people that want to have a look, and ultimately then stays in the market for longer, gradually reduces down and ends up achieving less than what it might have done otherwise. Our own personal findings for May were it's a very good month for us. So for us it was the best month we've had since January, and actually because we're doing this update sort of slightly late, the start we've had to June is the best start we've had to any month this year, so we're very positive here with what's going on. We've always been confident in the market, and that doesn't really seem to have changed, but I think what we're noticing, there seems to be a little bit more leeway from buyers and offers that are coming in. So over previous months, there was always a good number of offers. Some of those offers were coming in quite low. There's a lot of backwards and forwards to try and get the figures up to acceptable levels, but very early days for June, but it does feel like offers are coming in at a much more acceptable level initially, which is really positive news if you're looking to sell. So thanks so much for watching. So apologies, it's slightly late. I'm just glad my voice has lasted, and we'll see you next month. Take care.